Improving my game. Like I became a better shooter and better defender. So naging role ko doon, naging primary on-ball defender only. So that really helped me become more all-around.
What can you say about lang sa reports that Terrafirma will be out of the league?
Of course, sad we had some good memories with the team. So, well, I just gotta, move on na rin from that. And, it's, of course, it's sad din ako. But, I just hope, they keep the players. And for the betterment naman Like, I hope the next buyer will, become, raise the league better.
Pero di ba yung rights?
Yeah, still Terrafirma pa. So, we'll see how that goes.
Grabe sa ngalimba yung pananampan may mga kakausap na ba yung paparamdam sa yung PBA team sa Terra?
Meron isa isang team actually. We're gonna meet pa lang So, pero wala, verbal pa lang.
So he's not gonna text me that he's gonna pull up to the game. That's crazy. He ain't gonna text the group chat. That's crazy.
Alright, can you give me a second?
Okay.
Sorry for that.
No.
Have you never attracted you before?
Yeah.
Any chance of reuniting with Steven?
Of course, I'm happy to see my teammates sign in their new teams and eventually I got drafted by Ginebra. It'll be nice to play one day, especially if they need me or something. I hope one day I get an opportunity to come back here and play in the PBA. It was a nice experience sa KBL, pero no place like home din.
About playing with your brothers and
Yun rin, that was good times actually. Sobrang saya. It's the first time we played together abroad kasi when we played together in Japan, he was playing in Division 2 because I was in Division 1, so we never got to play each other. Pero nung Korea, parang milestone Like we grew up playing sa backyards and all our lives we're playing together, high school, sa UP, college. So, bucket list talaga to play each other in the pro leagues. And sooner or later, I think he also plans to join the draft. I don't know if this year or next. Miss na rin, of course, he's asking advice from me on how it was. And, I told him that also if he wants to get his game rhythm and, just to feel at home again, the PBA will be a great opportunity for him. I'm sure any team would really use a talent like him here. So after he joins the draft, that will really, I would also mag-PBA na rin siya. Why not? PBA na rin ako. Mahalay natin. Maging teammates pa nga kami. So that's one of our teams then. Play together.